5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun. Live from the Petrolhead Art Studio, I bring you another glorious jigsaw from my collection of Goodwood. Look at that. Aston Martin DBR1s, looking beautiful. That is a jigsaw puzzle. Look at that. That's a 500 piece jigsaw puzzle. It's a little bit hot at the moment, but you can see loads of detail. So this is the quality I'm printing to, which also means this is the quality I can print your photo to as well. So if you've got a photo you want turned into a jigsaw puzzle to rebuild those memories piece by piece, let me know. Thank you.